out tonight and realize that we all got some concerns. But listen, also realize that we've all been disproportionately affected, and now we have a very significant problem. We've reached a very critical breakdown, but we still can make a defining, measurable difference. So sit back, relax, enjoy the band, and perhaps we can resolve some issues.
I know they rolling like some mob figures, pushing Z's and 600s. Hit the Lincoln Tunnel about 100. Forget the patent leather, got the Gucci interior. Just a mirror for them haters that be feeling in fear. Like a Frank Lucas a rap, but don't see the trap. I guess y'all should ask T.I. about that. Bragging about your cars and your house up in the hills. Shorties in Africa ain't even had a meal. Now tell me how you feel when you got 100 mil, but people from your hood ain't got a happy meal. Rolling through your block with your chromed out wheels when your hood held you down like Bushwick Bill. Got enough fame in this thing to fool the game, but the truth is your hustle is lame but ruthless. Young, rich, and ruthless. You're blinded by the fame, but the truth is it's not this.
And now that we have the philanthropist community in hip-hop, many want to know what plans for healthcare do we foresee in this genre of music, and how can we reduce the activity in hip-hop and stop the violent, degrading explosion amongst our teens. And last but not least, but before we go to a commercial, somebody want to address the unsolved murders in hip-hop.
Every show getting sold out, on tours from Bangkok to Moscow. Used to represent the hood, dog, but not now. But that's how players do. They want to keep you in the rear view, where you can see me and I can see you. But don't test me, cause you a failed dude. Then I'll see you and I'll see you, dude. White mask where they feed you with the tube. Ain't no love on the block, dude, cause they'll drop you. 6 shots like Tupac 2. Or who shot you like Big Papa 2? Take your catalog and ain't nothing you can do. Shots going out to homie Big Frank too. Cause when you did your all, that's all you can do. Then give it up to God and let it do what it do. Cause once you did your all, that's all you can do.
Okay, hold up a minute. Somebody just made a very interesting statement that should not be overlooked. Someone just said that hip-hop is the only non-government association that can stand on its own. So people want to know, how can we broaden the basis of economical activities, plus get other people involved in an intelligent way?
Well, Jay-Z can see me, that he can see more than a man in the mirror, but a man in the streets, telling open up a center in every other hood, and stop waiting for the government to go and do what we should. You young, like you're gifted, go back to the hood, give away to the giftless, cause that's what we should. Cause even gospel rappers starting to sound like Jay, and that's the really need to return to the cool. Create a new flow with identity too, and it won't hurt to get a little serenity too. Tell Bill Gates if you really wanna see the heaven gates, gotta give humanity more than just some crumbs off his plate. And tell the whole church stop sitting in the temple, but feed the lost sheep, cause it's really that simple. The rappers got a model, gotta do what they gotta. In every video, the pop bottles for the model, especially when they got more chips than Eric Estrada. Know to live for the day, but got a plan for tomorrow. So pull up a chair, check your facts, and listen for your vote for your next hip-hop politician.
Also, people want to know, how can we make a